Kara. The topic I was researching was 3D printing. I had many questions about 3D printing. My first question was how to use a 3D printer. So I went to Thingiverse and I searched up what I wanted, and it was a flower. And I searched through selections, and then I found this, and then you just clicked download all files, and then you go to the Flash Print app, and then you download your item into the area. Then you could move it and make it bigger and smaller, and then it'll start printing. My second question was, what software can you use to help get what you want to print? I searched up 3D printer downloads, and I look around, and there were many different kinds, but the one I picked was Thingiverse by MakerBot. My third question was, how long does it take to 3D print something? So, it depends on how big or how small something is. Here are some of the couple things that we printed. In conclusion, this is what I learned about 3D printing. How to use a 3D printer, what software can you use to help get what you want to print, and how long does it take to 3D print something.